Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and we are simply drinking. So the drink of the week is going to be pumpkin pie cocktail. So I'm kind of excited because I've never tried it before and I got this recipe offline from this lady. I think her name is Cookie Rookie. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. So we're going to be using some almond milk. Got some almond milk right here. I have some vanilla vodka. I have some cinnamon sweet cream, like an Irish cream. Got that. I have some nutmeg, some pumpkin pie spice, and I have my pumpkin puree. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to need 4 cups of the almond milk. So I got my measuring cup, so we're just going to go ahead and pour 4 cups of the almond milk. And this is going to be a warm cocktail, because we're going to be heating that up. So I got 4 cups of the almond milk right here. We're going to be doing the 2 cups of this cream. You can use Bailey's if you want. So I'm just going to use this brand. And this is 2 cups of the Irish cream, cinnamon, vanilla cinnamon. So we got 2 cups of that. And we're going to go ahead and use a half a cup of the vodka. And this is vanilla vodka. You can use more vodka if you want. That's what she said use. A half a cup of vodka. So I'm going to mix up the lids. So I'm going to stir this up, and you want to bring this to a boil. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this to a boil, and then that's when we will come in and bring in our pumpkin and our spices in. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'll come back and let you know how it's looking. Alright, so now it's at a rapid boil. So I turned it down to low because I want to simmer it. And so now we're going to go ahead and put in our pumpkin puree. This is just 1 can of 15 ounce. Just put 1 can of that in there. Get all of it out. And you want to start whipping that up real quickly so it can all incorporate in there. You want to do 1. Stuff ain't coming up. Of the pumpkin pie spice. And you want to do 1.5 teaspoons. So this will come out 1 teaspoon, and we're going to do a half a teaspoon. And I want to put some nutmeg in there. The recipe don't call for nutmeg. I'm going to put some nutmeg in there. You know, nutmeg always makes stuff taste better. So you want to whip that up. Make sure everything is whipped together, and I got it on low so it won't be boiling a lot, you know. And that is it. You just want to make sure all your puree is mixed up in there. sides of it. Get all my puree off my little spatula. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool off and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Make sure everything is all in there together. Let this simmer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it cool off for 10 minutes, and then we want to serve it warm because I don't want to burn my tongue when I taste it. So I want to serve it warm, and then I will come back and I will let you know the final results of how it tastes. Okay, so I did take it off the stove while it was simmering, and it is cooling off right now. So it's been sitting there for about 5 or 7 minutes. But off camera, I did taste it to see how do I like it, and it was good. It was good. I just added another half a cup of the Vanilla Vodka. So I did do a boo-boo. So I thought I had nutmeg in my hand, but it actually was cinnamon. So the recipe don't call for cinnamon or nutmeg, but I put that in there. So I put some cinnamon in there by mistake, but it's still good. And I also did some nutmeg. So I did put some nutmeg in there. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Just spilled it. It's okay. Put that right there. And I got another cup. So if you want, because it makes a pretty big amount in there, so if you still want to save that, you can save it, put it in a pitcher or like a bowl. If you want to do that, you can. So it's up to you, or you can save it for later and just put it, put it in the microwave, or you can drink it warm, because it is a warm pumpkin pie cocktail. So we're gonna put some whipped cream on it. I'm just gonna pour just a little more, or it can be at the top, and then put some whipped cream on top. So I'm still spilling it everywhere. I'm gonna wipe that off. So it won't be dripping everywhere. And I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream on top. It's just floating around. Woo! So I got a straw, so I don't want it going all over the place. Where is my straw? Woo! That is good though. Nice and warm. Ooh, that's just all over the place. So I'm going to do some pumpkin spice on top. So I got stuff all over the place, but I want to taste it. Ooh. It's good. I'm just going to sip it. So can I sip it? Because it's nice and warm. This is pumpkin pie. I never tried it before, so this is my first time trying it. This tastes pretty good. Put some more of that pumpkin spice on there. It's a cocktail, so something different. It's just falling off to the side. But this is a pumpkin pie cocktail, and it's warm, so you can be nice and sit on a couch and drink your little, or by a fire, by a fireplace or something, or outside, and you're having a like burning fire or whatever you want to do. So this is a pumpkin pie, a warm pumpkin pie cocktail. So this is my first time trying it, so I think I did pretty good. Besides the whipped cream just falling all over the place. But okay, that is it, and that is all. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.